All right, everyone, it's about time we checked out these oil catch cans. Don't mind my zip ties holding my front lip up. We have rough winters here in the Northeast, so don't give me any lip. I love this shot right here. It shows the tane. Look at that safari ride height in the front and the back. I've got my tane set all the way up because my STi sees about a foot of snow in the winter. It's been about 10 months to a year. I've periodically checked them. One even has the nice dipstick on them. This can get a little confusing if you haven't watched videos 1 and 2 already. We're going to go over this real quick. The crankcase goes in from here. This is the right side. This is the left rocker cover vent. And the final vent comes from your T and gets teed off into the catch can's inlet. And then out of the catch can, we've got clean air that goes into the turbo inlet. For the next catch can, we've got the PCV valve itself into the inlet of the catch can, out of the can into the intake manifold's barb. So let's start with the PCV valve side. Here we have our old catch can. It's been about a year. I've periodically checked them, and it has a window as well so you can tell when it's filling up. So I'm going to sacrifice a clear cap so we can actually see what's going on here. This little glob that just fell out is steel wool. The steel wool catches all of the contaminants so it doesn't get sucked back up into the track, or else why would you be catching it in the first place? If you just leave that can empty, you have the possibility of sucking the oil back up through the out tube. Now, because you're using the vacuum from the motor, it's a good idea when your can is not baffled to have something to baffle the oil. This is a year's worth of contamination. This would have all went into my intake manifold, putting that oil contamination and vapors straight into the combustion chamber. I've had this neat little dipstick on this radium style catch can for the crankcase, but it's not actual radium. I got it off eBay. It looks like the same manufacturer though, which is interesting. Because your rocker covers have their own little catch cans built into them, you're not going to get too much from the crankcase. Now this is the same amount of time, the same interval. I've been checking it throughout the year, and this is what you got. So it's more of a vapor exchange for the crankcase. But the PCV valve is, guys, this is definitely the one you need to do. I mean, it's just obvious. So go take a look at my other PCV valve installation videos and the other catch can videos to get a good sense of how to hook these up. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Leave a comment. I'll get back to you. If you're having problems with this, let me know. See you soon. Support the troops. Bye-bye.